I feel like each wig owner should invest in a summer glueless wig, and let me tell you why. Don't get me wrong, my frontals are beautiful, gorgeous, amazing. However, they take forever to put together. Forever. You need to hair dry, you need to glue it down, you need to make sure that it's laid to the guards, and there's just a lot that goes into it. However, Love Me Hair has a solution for you. Let's go through the box first and then I'll tell you more about it. First thing you get is obviously the beautiful hair that we're going to be talking about today, and then you get a thank you note. You also get a bag filled with goodies with the Love Me Hair's logo on it, which is so cute. You get the wig cap, and then you get how to return their hair. Okay, in the cute little bag of goodies, you receive the Love Me silk hairband, which you can use to lay down your wigs. You also receive a mirror, which is so cute. And lastly, you receive a cute purple edge brush. So let's talk about the hair. This hair is from Love Me Hair. It is the super easy curly wig with bangs, curly fringe wig babes. The link to the hair will be down below in the description. So this is a throw on and go wig. It is a glueless. As you can see, it has a strip line to secure the wig, and then you flip it over and ta-da, it is on. It is perfect. The hair is very soft and very bouncy, as well as low maintenance. All you need is just a little bit of spray of conditioner and water so that the curls look nice and voluptuous and juicy, and you don't need to frequently check it or frequently spray it or be on it all the time. It's just like one time thing and it's good to go. Perfect. Winter is almost over, finally. So this is like the perfect summer wig. It is a lightweight, it's shoulder length, and it's has a breathable cap on it. Look how beautiful the curls are, and it's very soft as well. Like, it's bouncy, bro. It is the perfect summer wig. Perfect. So right here, I'm just hair drying it a little bit just to bring back the bounce, because I think I waited too much. But that's all you need to do. Just like make sure that it's perfect for what you want. If you wanted to wear it like this as well, you could have, but because I wanted more bounce and voluminousness, I had to hair dry it a little bit to bring that back. But that's it. It literally has the perfect shine, and it's soft and secure. Like, it's very secure. Like, it's not gonna go anywhere, it's not gonna move because of the secure band that it has that I showed you earlier. Right here, I'm just plucking it out to make sure that it's like as full as I want it to be. Just look at the shine and the curls. Like, what? This has to be my favorite curly bang wig, because wow, it's so perfect. Like, it's light, it's airy, it's perfect. Like, it doesn't feel like you're carrying anything. It doesn't feel too heavy. This is your perfect wig for summer. So all you can do now is go get the wig. Like, link is down below, everything is down below. Go get the wig. You need it. We all need it. Like, wow. I'd like to say thank you so much to Love Me Hair for sponsoring today's video and introducing us to this lovely breathable hair. You can use my link down below to get some money off. Until next time, I love y'all and goodbye.